Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this 2009 Volkswagen Scirocco TDI. Now this is in the Reflex silver paintwork and it's sat on the 18-inch alloy wheels and some nice features. Got the privacy glass and got the glass panoramic roof. So let's have a look. So the black alloys, they're the standard wheel, riding on recent tyres, so all four tyres are matching and they're also very recent. Paintwork is in lovely order for just over 100,000 miles on this car, 2009. So very nice Scirocco. Always been good Scirocco's, always a great selling vehicle, always a good looking car. 3 doors, 4 seats. Now this one's got the leather interior, which I'll show you in a minute, but the paintwork on it for its age is absolutely wonderful. So you wouldn't think this was a 14-year-old car. Everything about it is in nice order, good service history. Got privacy glass, got parking sensors on the rear. But yeah, I don't think anybody would be disappointed in what they see here. Paintwork's all in great condition, the bodywork's all in lovely order. We do know the last keeper of this car had quite a few cars off as the family, and this one was their son's. So let's have a look inside, because that's where, when it comes to Scirocco's, this has the black leather seats. Now look at them, in lovely order. Lovely contrast silver stitch, ribbing up the seat itself, and then inside there, then just look at that lovely cabin. Really nice. Now the automatic DSG gearbox is just another little bit of a cherry on the top. So 2 electric windows, remote central locking, electric heated door mirrors. We've got the lumbar adjustment on that seat. Automatic headlamps as I jump in. And then you can see 104,465 miles. So nice mileage there, less than 10,000 miles a year, definitely. But then as I look round the cabin, we've got the heated seats, we've got multifunction steering wheel, we've got the climate control, there's your heated seat, we've got the automatic DSG box, and then we've got shifters on the paddles as well, we've got cruise control, we've got a Kenwood upgraded stereo, centre armrest, butt pack, service documents all in the glove box, ready to rock and roll here at Alpha. But I don't smoke, and I can tell the last owner didn't smoke. We've got obviously the glass roof there, we've got the blind if you want to shut it, but a lovely car. I think anybody purchasing this would be super happy with it. Lovely, no warning lights on the dash or anything like that, but just take a look at that. What a great looking car. Turn it off. So if you'd like any more info, give us a call here in Wigan. I'm Graham, there's Dominic and Lee. We'll be happy to help you in any way we can. If you've got a part exchange, we can take a part exchange. We can also do finance on this, even at the age of this car is. But yeah, nice black badges on there as well. So have a look at our reviews, check out our Facebook. But as for now, thanks for watching the video and I look forward to your inquiry.